What if you could eliminate manual data entry from your workflow forever? Imagine extracting key info from invoices, emails, even receipts, all in seconds. I'm Samantha from NextAIVault, and today we're diving into an AI tool that's saving teams hours each week. Let's talk about Parsio. Parsio is an AI-powered platform that extracts structured data from messy documents like PDFs, emails, and receipts, and makes it usable in tools like Google Sheets, CRMs, or databases. Built for business automation, it uses OCR and GPT to turn clutter into clarity. You don't need to code, just click, highlight, and automate. So what makes Parsio stand out? AI-powered data extraction. Parse PDFs, emails, even handwritten notes. Template-based parsing. Simply highlight what you want extracted. Pre-trained models. For invoices, IDs, business cards, plug and play. GPT parsing. Works even with unstructured or messy documents. Table extraction. Yes, even tables inside PDFs. 6,000 plus app integrations. Connect to Sheets, CRMs, QuickBooks, and more. Parsio shines when you're buried in documents. Accountants use it to extract invoice details into finance tools. Marketers capture leads directly from emails into CRMs. E-commerce teams parse orders and confirmations into inventory systems. Researchers and admins automate document summaries. Less manual work, fewer mistakes, way more time for the real work. Who's Parsio really for? Startups, freelancers, accountants, marketing teams, and anyone handling a high volume of documents or leads. If you're tired of copy-paste chaos, Parsio's your new best friend. Parsio offers a generous free tier, 30 credits per month. Pro plans start at $49 month with 1,000 credits, which can be used on documents or emails. Compared to alternatives, it's competitively priced with powerful features included even in the free plan. Compared to Doc Parser, Parsio handles more file types and uses AI instead of old-school zonal OCR. Against Mail Parser, it goes beyond email to work with invoices, ID cards, and scanned documents, all while keeping pricing competitive. Now, what are the downsides? Parsio depends on cloud access. It's not for offline use. Complex or low-quality documents may need tweaking. And if you're working outside Latin-based languages, support might feel limited. Getting started? Start small. Use pre-trained templates for invoices or business cards. Highlight-only mode is a game changer, no coding needed. Use Zapier or Make to send extracted data straight to Sheets, Trello, or QuickBooks. And if you're a power user, dive into GPT-powered parsing. It handles the messy stuff. Parsio isn't just another parser. It's an AI-powered data assistant that helps you reclaim your time. If you work with documents daily, this tool will change the game. Hit like, subscribe, and visit NextAIVault.com to explore Parsio and more AI tools that save time, boost accuracy, and streamline your workflow. I'm Samantha, and I'll see you in the next one.